Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Snap EBT on Doordash. So here, what you're going to do from your app is go to your profile and click on Payment Methods. Now from there, you will see the EBT card. So what you're going to do is just enter your card number and then proceed to process your identification, and then after that you can now order using your EBT card payment method. Now after you ordered, by pressing this continue button, you will be able to see your EBT card options right here, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.